I would give an estimate that we have either straightened, repaired wire, replaced poles, of probably about 20 miles of transmission.
Helping everyone else do the restoration here to bring people power.
It was quite a bit worse than it is now. There were no leaves on the trees. Everything was bare.
Roofs missing, fronts of big churches missing.
There was a lot more debris on the roadways. It's come along quite a bit since then.
It's pretty tough going for those folks. The folks here have been great. They're very gracious people here, very polite, very friendly, very thankful.
I've never seen something like this. They're folding already down before they're coming up.
General public really appreciates the fact that they are here, because they know for a fact if they weren't here, this would have been going on probably till next summer.
The efficiency of these guys and the dedication was really appreciated. These guys came in, no questions asked, they just took off. And there was no looking back.
The gathering of all the folks from different regions, divisions, it always works out well for us. We know each other fairly well. We've at some point worked with one of them. It's just seamless. We got a lot of good crews.
Even though the temperature might indicate it's 80s or so, the humidity is definitely up in the high 90s, so you sweat a lot. You're soaking wet from the time you leave your ship to the time you come out here.
One day it's 99 degrees, next day it's raining.
Seems like it rains probably about 5-6 inches in an hour's worth of time. It drenches, it floods, it runs down the road.
Traffic is a constant problem here working next to it. Between all the debris on the roads and the potholes, just the sheer amount of people and cars.
The roads are really narrow. They're not really made for our big vehicles. Island time is only when people are not in their cars. When they're in their cars, it's light speed.
You constantly have to have your head on a swivel.
We've touched every square foot of this transmission line, and it is all up in the air, all energized.
They've done a good job. It's been a good experience for them.
It's something that we could not have envisioned doing by ourselves. We appreciate that people that are going to get power by Thanksgiving, they are so appreciative. They have done a great job.